Hey guys, it's Solomon from NFX. I've been in Dubai for a while now. I've done all the business I needed to do outside Dubai. And I'm just coming back for some fun, relaxation, and escaping COVID. I've noticed my channel has been a bit boring. I'm going to spice it up a little bit. Signals are going to be back before the end of March. Members area is now working. I'm going to keep that updated with pictures of analysis and trades and whatever videos in the members area, all before the end of March. I'm just settling down. I just want to have some fun. I'll take you guys around with me. So I'm just going to do like a bit of an analysis. This is NFP week. I'm going to help you guys out and do some analysis of what is going to happen this week, or what I see happening, or currently what I'm trading. As you can see, this is my account. This is my personal account. Like if you want to copy my trades, just send me an email, or just send me an email. If you want to get the course, or you want to buy the course, click the link in the description below, or send me an email also. But let's get into it. I'm going to do some analysis. Just like looking at this, we can already tell it's a long trend. Some people will say, how do you know the long trend is going to continue? How do you know the long trend is not going to pull back, blah, blah, blah? That's on you. It's your problem. You don't know. If you want to know, buy the course. So I see a rejection around here. I don't like this color. Let me change this to black. Okay, black. Yes, sir. Okay, so we got to the price around here. We're on a long trend. There was a pullback. Let's see. So where do I see the markets pulling back to? Somewhere. If this continues to reject, okay, let me see this. What are my predictions for the market? Let's go to the 1 hour chart, and I'm not checking for the candlesticks on the 1 hour. So what I see is, one thing you notice first is the daily range has started to reduce. Okay, pay attention, guys. I'm not going to tell you my system. I'm just going to tell you things I noticed. Those who are my students will understand from what I'm saying. Those who are not my students, then buy the course if you want to know. Anyway, I'm not let's see. Yeah, so what I see is, 1 minute, I have to check fundamentals. I'm not going to show you what I'm checking in fundamentals. I'm just going to check right quick and come back. Okay, and we're back, guys. So I noticed the daily range has been reducing. We haven't had consistent daily ranges, and that's because of NFP. Usually the last week of the month, we see things like this, confusion in the market, and especially when the NFP is extended to the next month. So we usually have the last week of that month that is supposed to have NFP, we see confusion in the market, and then the next week. Okay, so it's like 2 extra weeks to destroy traders' account, okay, for people who can't trade properly. The forex market is not like the stock market. If you try to beat the hedge funds and the banks, you will lose because they can just keep on printing money. Unlike stocks, you can't keep on printing more and more. Okay, you just devalue it. Okay, this is how manipulation works. People are just realizing because they have time on their hands and they have time to trade. Meanwhile, some of you you have time, guys. Use this time to learn how to trade, or use this time to get a mentor to teach you how to trade. You are either going to come out of this pandemic rich or poor. There's no in between. Middle class is going to disappear in the next few. Okay, look at this. They keep on telling you next week, 2 more weeks, 1 more month. This thing might end in 2022, but this is what keeps the rich and the poor separate. Actions. While some people, Jeff Bezos is working harder than he was working before the pandemic. Elon Musk is working harder than he was working before the pandemic. Someone who doesn't have $1,000 in their account is relaxing, wasting their time, saying they are bored, saying they don't have time to trade, saying you are not ready. You don't want it. You don't want it bad enough. That's just the truth. If you are making excuses, if you are not a full-time trader and there are options for you, it doesn't matter what excuse there is. I made no excuse. Sat at home I didn't sleep for 3 hours in 4 days. That shows determination. You guys are not ready. If you are making excuses and there's a way, as long as there's a way, you have no excuse. I don't care what it is. Even if they are fighting a war, if you have a way and you are not making use of it, then it is your fault. You know, don't wait and keep on waiting and waiting. Keep doing something. Even if you can't afford the course, keep doing something. Anyway, that's enough of my rant. I should get back into the so from what I checked from my fundamentals, USDJPY should still keep going long. However, I'm going to look at the 4-hour. However, if I see the price break around this area, okay, don't ask me why. It is not support and resistance. Okay, don't ask me. It is not support and resistance. If you think it's support and if you think I'm lying to you, I don't have time for this shit. Okay, I don't monetize my channel so I can talk however I want. If I see price break this point, I would expect it. This is technically speaking to start going short. I don't care what I see in my fundamentals. I follow only technicals when I'm taking my trading decision. Okay. But for now, I expect maybe a minor pullback. Why? I'm not going to tell you why, but this is what I expect. I expect a minor pullback or consolidation till the next day, and then we should see price keep on going. It depends on you know, okay, we should see price keep on going to, this is my estimate, to, let's see, somewhere around here. Okay, or let's look at this. Eventually, if price keeps going long, I expect price to get to, let's see, maybe around 106. Yes, markets as 106. Okay, that is if price doesn't break this low right here. If you're a student, this should be easy for you. This is just reading trend. It's only people who didn't get the course that should be finding this harder, you know. So, oh shit, that's still on the 1 hour. You should be over 4 hours. Anyway, so each time frame has its own reasons. Okay, for those who are not my students, that's your problem. Each time frame should have its own reasons. That's why I change it. I don't do anything on the 1 hour. I just, you know, it's easier. Some of you won't believe me because anyway, I don't give a fuck. 1 hour, it's easier to see the separation of days. Okay, you see, I have separation of days. I have that for a reason, but I don't do any analysis on the 1 hour. So yes. So what am I gonna, let me look at the 5 minutes. Let me look at the 5 minutes. I want to see how many scalping opportunities there were today. I didn't really take any trades today. I didn't really have time. Like I said, I'm just going to be relaxing, taking some trades. I'll be giving free analysis. Not really going to be posting trades. I have students who want to post their trades. I'll let them do that. It keeps them entertained and like gives them something to do. So what I'm going to do is, yeah, I'll expect a pullback or consolidation till the next day. And then I should take some scalp trades. I have a nice account. Take a scalp trade, make a couple, 4 figures, 5 figures quickly. And not all my scalp trades are small, like 3 pips, 5 pips. Sometimes I have scalp pips that go 20 pips, 50 pips. I follow the market. I take what the market gives me. I don't, that crooked reason that your mentor will tell you, oh, you have to have 20 pips profits, 10 pips stop loss. The daily ranges are different every day. Don't be stupid. Okay, the weekly ranges are different every day. You don't get the same amount of pips every day. So how the fuck are you going to use it's the same amount of stop loss and the same amount of take profit every day, all in the name of risk to reward ratio? You can, I don't know if you see how dumb that is, but anyway, this is my analysis. I see the market as in a long trend. I'm waiting for a pullback or consolidation, and then I'll join the market to continue going long. I'm not just going to enter like a fool. I'm looking for some things. Okay, I'm not going to tell you what time frame I'm looking for it on. Students know the time frame. You don't need to know unless, like I said, you buy the course. And yeah, the market should keep on going long technically, as long as it doesn't break this low. Fundamentals also accept this, and this is simple, reading the trend without any indicators. I don't know why you use indicators. It's your problem, not mine. You go to an exchange office, tell them you want to use an indicator, they'll chase you out with a broomstick. You want to use it to trade your own money, it's your problem. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys, and hope you enjoy my videos. I'm back, baby. And if you're in Dubai or you want to come to Dubai for an in-person session, what an in-person session means is you meet me in person. We take live trades on your account, my account, for a couple days. I have some specific tools I do not give people online. I only give them in person because I have to show you how to use them in person. And you get that also for free. So, like I said, if you want to buy the course, click the link in the description below or send me an email. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll keep on uploading free analysis, maybe 3 times a week or 4 times. It depends on my mood. All right. Hope you guys enjoy. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.